In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on TradingView using its paper trading feature. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking to test new strategies or a beginner trying to learn the ropes, understanding how to execute trades in a simulated environment can be incredibly beneficial. Let's walk through each step together and make it as simple as possible for you. First, let's begin by opening any chart on TradingView. If you're already familiar with this, you know that TradingView offers a plethora of chart options that can suit your trading preferences. Once you have your desired chart up on your screen, direct your attention to the bottom of the interface. Here, you'll find various tabs, and the one we want is labeled Trading Panel. Go ahead and click on the Trading Panel tab. This is your gateway to connect with the paper trading feature, among other options. Now, once this section is open, you're going to see an option labeled Paper Trading. Select this option and proceed by clicking Connect. What you're doing here is setting up a simulated trading environment that mirrors live trading without any real financial risk. It's a fantastic way to practice and familiarize yourself with the platform's trading mechanics. Now, look towards the right side of your chart. You'll notice a button labeled Buy. This is where you initiate the process of placing a trade. So, when you're ready, click on the Buy button, and this will bring up the Order panel. Within the Order panel, you have some important options to configure your simulated trade. Pay close attention to details like the quantity of the asset you wish to purchase. This will dictate how much of the asset you're simulating to buy. Next, consider the order type. TradingView offers several, but the two most common are Market and Limit. A market order will execute immediately at the current market price, whereas a limit order will only execute at a specified price that you set. Depending on your choice, you can experiment with different strategies and see the outcomes without any risk. Once you've set up these parameters according to your preference, you can go ahead and click on the Buy button within this panel. This action places your simulated trade. After your trade is executed, you'll want to monitor its status. You can do this by checking out the Positions panel, which is located below the chart. Here, you'll see your open position, allowing you to track performance and make decisions on your next steps. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to buying on TradingView using paper trading. This feature is an invaluable tool for testing your trading strategies in a safe environment. With practice and exploration, you can refine your approach and build confidence for when you decide to engage in live trading. Happy trading, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials.